body count, and he's not letting me get on the bus, and I don't know what else to do. So I'm sorry. Like, I have the money in there.
So he do this every time with me and the other block.
Okay.
And he threatened me too.
I didn't threaten.
By the time cops arrived, he was calm, cooperative, even apologizing. Nobody was going to jail. Then, out of nowhere,
Body count, and he's not letting me get on the bus, and I don't know what else to do. So I'm sorry. Like, I have the money in there.
Okay. All right. Let me see your ID, sir. What's happened, sir?
He gets on the bus, he shows the app. The app, it's supposed to be a QR code. He doesn't have it. He can't pay on the bus, right? So I told him he got to download the app over.
I did that before.
I don't know what he is. He don't want to pay. The lady on the phone, he's talking to customer service and she's telling him what to do. And he refused to do it to get on the bus. So I just parked and I said, he do this every time with me and the other block.
Okay.
And he threatened me too.
I didn't threaten you. I didn't.
Anything physical involved?
Any threats or anything?
He sticked his hand around the
I
glass.
didn't do that. I didn't do that.
He sticked his hand around the glass, which, you know, that's my territory. So I pushed his hand back out. You know, I don't know if he was going to hit me.
You said you push him
I
back?
don't know if he was going to hit me. He stick his hand around the glass, and I pushed his hand back out. I did not come out the seat. I did not come out the seat, nothing. All right?
All right. Come here, man.
Okay.
Tell me what happened again.
I went up to the bus, showed him this because it doesn't scan on the thing, which it hasn't scanned, and then the bus drivers were like, okay, you're good. And then that was it.
Okay, did you make contact with him?
I did not make, he made contact with me. I did
Okay,
not
before
make
you answer
contact
that question, everything is recordable, audio and
I'm gonna be
video
complete.
recordable.
Did I cuss? I didn't say any of that stuff. None of it. I just want to show him and just ride.
Did he make contact with you? Anything?
I was in the seat. He came around here. He came and put his hand around here. So I pushed his hand back out. I was right here leaning by the door.
Why he reach over for?
From here.
No. Listen to my question. Why did he reach over for?
I have no, I don't know. He had his hand over here. I don't know if he meant to hit me or whatever. I was right here by the steering wheel.
Okay, so you guys didn't make any physical contact at all?
I just pushed his hand from close to me. That's all I did.
Come here.
Yes, sir.
So, well, let me confirm again. Did you make contact anything with him?
I never made any physical contact with
So,
him.
do you want to reach out anything?
Because
on the radio they said you said that he pushing you. Is that true?
He pushed me.
He tried to get out, right? Because he told you.
I won't worry about pressing charges, sir. I won't worry about it.
Listen. He said you reached over for whatsoever reason. You tried to show him something?
No, sir. I was not trying to show him anything. I was just trying to take a video of him himself. No, sir. I apologize. Sorry. If you could instruct me how to be better next time.
Can't sit down there for me. Remember, we're gonna investigate the situation, okay?
Yeah, I don't want.
Listen, if it's conveyed on video, it's not matching with what you say. You know what's gonna happen, right?
Listen, I'm telling you I don't lie on people. He said exactly what he said. That camera pick him up.
Because it's multiple incident like the other bus operator didn't tell the truth. So I just expect you to tell the truth with me.
I'm telling you what I did.
Right.
I know exactly what I did. I'm telling you what he did. Yeah.
What exactly he said?
He said he feel like shooting me right now.
Okay, all right.
I'm gonna shit. You tell me. I'm telling me it's not a trick. If you say you feel like shooting me,
That ain't a threat, big dog.
Sir, you don't have to say anything now, sir.
Okay, my bad,
All right.
officer. Can I get on that bus real quick?
No, sir, not now.
I actually need to go, so I'm just taking Uber. Actually.
You can't do anything now, sir.
What did I do?
1937.
What did I do?
Just sit down, man. Sit down.
Okay.
The bus driver accusing him like, sir, please do not do anything now, sir.
I can't drink.
Don't do anything now.
My bad. Sorry.
Otherwise, if you keep moving, I have to put you in handcuff, man. I'm telling you, bro. Don't do anything now, bro. Let me ask you one more time.
Yes, sir.
Did you ever make a threat to him that you're going to shoot him?
I never made any threat. I didn't. Did I say the words?
I'm just asking. I was just want to
I
confirm
never said the words I was going to shoot him. No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir. I never
All right.
said those words ever.
Okay.
I would never say something like that.
All right.
I never said that.
Okay. Yeah. Let me see your breach card, man. You got a breach card with you?
Yes, sir. I have it with
Let me
me.
see.
Take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. You said not to do anything. Sorry.
All right.
Sorry, it's in my wallet. Can I reach for it? Is that okay?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. I don't have any weapons on me. I'm sorry, officer. If you can let me know what to do better next time, I'd really appreciate
Yeah. All right.
it.
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, he accusing him that the patron said that he gonna shoot him.
I'm sorry. I would never do that. Like, you know, I didn't say that. I didn't say I'm gonna shoot you. I didn't say I don't have anything on me, man. Like, what? Where's that coming from? You know what I mean? Like, come on. Can I say something to you guys at all?
So what the reason why?
Yeah, go ahead.
Like,
So I just wanted to say, look, I did get a little upset. I may have said I'm ready to hurt you. But I didn't say I was going to or anything. I didn't say anything like that.
Yeah.
You know, because I was also a little scared, man. Like, look, I'm an adult, but I'm a little scared of that guy as well. So, you know, truly. Because I show him my thing. When I go on my phone real quick to show you, I have the money in there. I don't know what else, like, and the police themselves told me to do it this way. Like, I have the money in there.
I understand that.
So I'm just,
Right.
I go to the bus. Most times at Avondale, that's my home station, they just cover it up. You don't even do anything. Half the time it's busted.
Right.
You know, so I usually just show them and they're like, all right, cool, and that's it.
Okay.
So so if you can educate me on what to do better, I'm more than willing to learn and whatnot. I'm sorry. You
Yeah,
know.
I'm trying to get like a full story of exactly what happened because I don't know. I just arrived here.
I showed him this, and then he was like, you know, I can't drive or whatever, so I just went to sit down for him, and he just pulled off, and I was like, drive the bus, you know, why are you not doing anything? Then I cussed you, I was like, drive the fucking bus, like I thought, like, let's go.
I just want to know if really.
And they've done that before, so I think I just gotta take an Uber, you feel me?
Right.
He's gonna be like, I don't want you on the bus, I'll be like, okay. So that's my bad, I should have been a little more, you know.
Passive. Yeah. So give me a second.
So honestly, I'll just take But did I touch him? Absolutely not. I know that. I'm not lying to you. I promise, man. I didn't touch him at all. The only thing I did was try to take a video, and then he did that.
Right.
If you'll see it in there, you'll see him make a fist or whatnot.
Okay.
I'll even show it to you, man. Maybe.
That's why they got the door like that.
I apologize. That was it though.
Don't reach over like that, bro.
And then you'll see my arm move when he pushes me. So I apologize if that was wrong. All I was doing was taking a video. I wasn't trying to put my hand. No, I know that's wrong. That is illegal. That's all.
So yeah, you heard what my sergeant said. In future reference, if you have an issue with like a bus driver or so, you could always dial this number.
Okay.
You could dial to file a complaint on that one person, that one driver,
Okay.
bus operator. That's it. If you have any issue whatsoever.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what? And then he was saying, can you guys help me with the ticket and stuff? Because they say a ticket and all that. And the police told me what to do last time. The app used to look like this. Right here.
Like a
It
MARTA
used to look
app?
like the barcode.
Right.
Right? And then it's updated to that. So that doesn't scan anymore. So I've just been showing it to them, and they're just like, hey, get on, you're good to go. So
Okay.
it really doesn't scan.
When you try to show him this, did he tell you anything about how to use it? No?
He told me to delete the app. I deleted the app in front of him. He said he would go back to the old version, but that's, it's
Yes, it is.
updated. You know how the phone works. So,
Yeah.
like, I just put 250 more in there, just to show you guys that I screenshotted the payment, like MARTA Breeze Mobile, February 14th. So I just put 250 more on there just because,
Gotcha.
So, like he's a grown man. Like y'all, like I feel like a little kid around you guys. So sometimes I do that just to so that's all. But I didn't make any threats, no.
No, when he reached over, so that's why he pushed out his door and then tried to push the guy
That's
back.
him pushing me, making physical contact with me.
And the guy said when he reached over, the video and he took the picture of him.
So in the future, do what I did at the Wendy's. You see him not using gloves, whatever. Don't say anything to him. Just call corporate. But basically the same thing. Call y'all. Y'all will come out and deal with them. I shouldn't even say a word to him.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
I said, if you
Thank
have
you.
like any.
It's cash there.
All right, did you have time to re-download it? You have to make it work?
Right now or before?
No, right at the moment you talk to the operator.
I'm just.
Because he told me that he tell you to re-download the app to make it work.
I
you
did
do
that that was about probably a month ago. He told me to do that, and I deleted the app, and then I signed it and everything. It updated to a new version. in the old
And then
version.
he said that it's not the first time he got a problem with you. That's what he said.
I don't know what else to.
I'm just telling you that. I'm just
Okay.
telling you what
I
happened.
don't know how else to do to pay. It used to do that, and I would just
Okay.
scan. I would put
All right.
250 scan, and then I would scan at the gate, whatever, and it updated to that.
So did you re-download the app? Did you?
Yeah, you want me to? I'll do it right now.
No.
in front of you.
I'm talking about right at the moment you talked to him.
Yes,
you did.
I didn't do it 5 minutes ago. I did it about a month ago. That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
you did. Oh, you did a month ago. You didn't do it.
You want me to re-download it today? I'll re-download.
I got you, sir. Put everything down, sir.
Huh?
Put everything down.
For what?
Put everything down.
Bro, what are y'all doing?
Stay down. Flip over.
Turn around.
Flip over. Flip over. Put your hand behind your back.
What I did? What did I do? I ain't got no weapons on me. I'm sorry, y'all. I apologize.
If you don't do nothing wrong, why you running, man?
Huh?
Why you running?
I didn't do anything wrong, sir. I just wanted
Why you running?
I don't know. I got scared, okay?
You get scared. You want to kill him.
I didn't say that. I didn't want. Where are you getting that
Stand up.
from?
Stand up.
Yes, sir.
Sit him down, pat him down. Yeah.
Sorry, what do you want me to do? I'm sorry.
You don't have any weapons on you.
No, I don't. I promise. I got nothing on. No, I'm sorry. Take it easy, man. I'm sorry about that.
Stop moving.
Okay, yes, sir.
Straight the legs.
Yes, sir. Straighten them.
Pick the one. Go for it.
There's nothing in there, sir.
You know that obstruction, right?
Sorry.
All right. It's all good.
Can you make sure I get him all my stuff over there?
Yeah, I will.
I'm sorry, man to man. I apologize. I didn't know before. I just.
It's all good, bro.
I'm sorry.
You know, everyone made mistake.
So do you believe me? What I never said that, sir.
You never said that?
I never said that, and that's why I got scared because I got arrested before. And I hadn't
I
done
just told
anything,
you.
and they
Everything
pinched
show. I just told him you begin. Everything show on the video and audio recordable.
So
We heard the whole
swear
thing.
to God.
We heard the
I
whole
said
thing.
I'm ready to.
We heard the whole
I'm
thing.
going
sir.
to.
We heard the whole
I didn't
thing.
do that.
I mean, it's all good, bro. I mean, it is what it is. So.
But I didn't say that, sir. Do you get what I'm saying? I didn't say that.
Okay.
And that you want to be completely with you, that's our rate. Last time they did, we got just enough to take you in, and they took me and I was stuck there for 30 days. My parents didn't want to bail me out or nothing. So that's honestly that as well. So I apologize.
36 red code 23. Hang tight, bro.
Yes, sir.
You got everything? This is that the blue bag is his? You got a blue bag?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and make 82 from here to Dunwoody Precinct. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take the statement from the bus driver. Okay. Okay. Your name and your work address, and your phone number, your date of birth, and start your statement from here. The more detail you put in there, the more gonna help us investigate some more detail. Okay. Alright. That phrase threat that he make a threat to you, or he say, I think you ready to die because I'm gonna kill you. That what he said, right?
Yeah.
So put exactly whatever he said to you in the statement.
He talked his way out of it, then panicked his way straight into handcuffs. What do you guys think about him?